Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ariana and I'm from greenplantsociety. Today we will be tackling some frequently asked questions by you guys. So many of you guys have asked us questions like, when should I repot my plant? How big should the pot be? And also, the caring tips after you transplant the plant. First thing is to see whether your plant has outgrown the pot. Like this cactus is big and got babies already, and then this one is overflowing, and then that one is very big. So the second step is to choose a suitable pot size. If you want your plant to remain mini and cute like this, you can plant it into a small pot like this one. But if your goal is to get a bigger succulent and let it grow to be a giant one, then you can upgrade to a bigger size one like this one. So we will bring over the oil soil with the succulent so that we won't hurt the roots, and then the plant can adapt better to the new environment. Now I will share some aftercare tips. So after a few hours from repotting, you can actually water your plant lightly. Make sure you don't drown the plant, just lightly spray at the roots. So after you watered it, you can put it in a place that has bright indirect sunlight. Make sure you place it in a well-ventilated area that has good airflow. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.